Does your family and your parents and like the people in your life, do they support like the music that you make and how you guys move about the world now?
I'm not gonna lie, my people were really like, at first, no, because it's just like, you know, I would say they just didn't know because it's like, shroomy. Like, I just think they were just more so like trying to see where I was going with it.
Yeah.
And I think as I just like jumped off the porch and just really just got confident in doing what I'm doing and what I got going, I feel like that's when they started taking it serious. I feel like when I met DJS and I actually start traveling, I'm actually dropping albums and, you know, people are, they follow me on social media, so they're actually seeing what's coming from that. I think that's when like stuff started to get took serious. My mom though, she's always supportive. Like she just wants the best. She just wants me to be smart because I'm the oldest. So
Understandable, same.
at the end of the day, she just want to think like just think like when I'm not here, just think. You know, so I think with her, she was just a little iffy, but once she became momager. Like she just be real momager, real trying to like, y'all need to do this, y'all need merch, y'all need that, y'all need this. So